PS5 is also available, right? Because बहुत जगह बहुत
The
सारे
whole
लोग
of India does not have the stock.
Right.
PS5 Pro, which is not at all available anywhere. This retro console starts from 2,000 rupees.
okay
It starts
PS2
from
is
6
evergreen.
Yeah, evergreen. That starts from 6,000. We not only sell consoles, we also give them buyback guarantee. And on top of that, we also exchange PS4 games, PS5 games. The PS4 games, basic game starts from 500 rupees. Apart from PlayStation, we also deal in Nintendo consoles. Switch 2 pricing, Switch 2 starts from 40,000, which is attached to used disc.
Okay.
On a PlayStation 5 Pro. Nintendo Switch games, we have everything. Entire universe, whatever it has for the gaming, we have everything.
Game का पूरा related है आपके
Everything. पुराना आपके पास console है, so we buy it for cash as well. Getting the console itself is a miracle right now. This is the trending game right now, which is released recently. कहाँ से भी होंगे, कौन सा भी product होंगे मिलता. We give you 1 year complete replacement warranty for the pre-owned products that you buy. Any issue whatsoever, we give you free service and replacement.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आई एम आफरीन फातिमा एंड आज का वीडियो अगेन गेम लवर्स के लिए। तो आज हम लोग आए हैं रे गेम्स कासल, जो कि लोकेटेड है जयनगर 4th ब्लॉक, एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट ऑफ बिग मिश्रा पेड़ा ऑन देयर 2nd फ्लोर। तो चलिए अंदर जाकर के चेक करते हैं कि क्या क्या ऑफर्स हैं फॉर ऑल द PS5 लवर्स। दे हैव इनॉर्मस स्टॉक, आप लोग आकर के आराम से ले सकते हैं। दे ऑल्सो हैव रिफर्बिश्ड, ओल्ड, न्यू, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल। तो चलिए विदाउट अ फर्दर ड्यू लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। So guys, we've entered into the place and let's meet the owner here. Hi, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
आपका नाम sir?
Rahman. My name is
Okay,
Rahman.
to our viewers.
Yeah, hi, my name is Rahman. I'm the owner of Ray Games Castle.
Okay, so
We
nice
have-
to meet you. Firstly, and first हमारे viewers को जो अभी तक रे गेम्स कासल को नहीं जानते हैं, उनको थोड़ा लोकेशन बता दीजिए आप।
See, we are located in 3 different locations. The main branch is in Jayanagar 4th block. The second location is in Kamraj Road, Commercial Plaza. The third location is Rameshwaram, opposite Rameshwaram Cafe, Brookfield.
Oh, nice. Whitefield में भी हैं आप, Brookfield, right? Okay, lovely. So, what's in there for our viewers today?
See, we sell all sort of gaming consoles.
जी.
We sell PS2, PS3, PS4, PS5.
PS5 is also
Pro.
available, right? Because
Yes,
बहुत जगह बहुत
The
सारे
whole
लोग
of India does not have the stock,
Right,
but if you can come here, you can see we have all the stock available of PS5.
amazing.
We have PS5 Slim, PS5 Slim, PS5 Pro. We have PS5 limited
So
edition.
basically आपके पास अच्छा खासा स्टॉक है PS5 का।
The whole of Bangalore does not have, but I
Right.
have the stock.
That
You
is
can
the
see.
reason I was
You can see
wanting
yourself.
to know.
I have the limited edition. I have the Pro, PS5 Pro, which is not at all available anywhere. I have Nintendo Switch, MetaQuest 3,
जी.
MetaQuest games, accessories, PS4 games, PS3 games.
Okay.
We deal into everything related to games.
Okay, lovely, great. Okay, so what's the starting? मतलब crazy ज़्यादातर लोगों को
See, the
PlayStation में
basic
सबसे
console what we have with us is a retro console.
ज़्यादा- Okay,
See, this is the retro console what we have.
okay,
This retro console starts from 2,000 rupees.
okay, 2000
This is the basic console we have. 2,000. This is 3,000. And we have, apart from retro consoles, we have this PS2 console.
Okay,
which
PS2
starts from
is
6
evergreen.
Yeah, evergreen. That starts from 6,000.
It starts from
There are
6,000.
different variants in that, but the basic one starts from 6,000.
Okay,
And we have the PS3, which starts from 12,000.
12,000. Okay,
PS3 basic price starts from 12,000. And then we have the PS4 here. The PS4 starts from 18,000.
18,000. These are all refurbished,
Yes, used ones.
used ones,
We
right?
have the brand new PS5 and the pre-owned PS5. We have everything. Brand new,
तो
pre-owned.
पुराना भी है आपके पास, used वाले भी हैं, नए वाले भी हैं,
I
right?
also have the pre-owned. I also have the brand new.
Brand new.
The
भी है.
pre-owned starts basic price from 40,000 rupees.
Okay.
PlayStation 5, a basic console with a single controller with warranty starts from 40,000.
Okay, how many years warranty are you giving?
We're giving 6 months warranty for a
6
pre-owned
months
console. 1 year warranty for the brand new console.
For 1 year warranty for the
For
brand
the brand new console.
Okay, brand new का कुछ प्राइस बताना चाहेंगे या पुराने वाले का
See,
प्राइस
the
बताना
price
चाहेंगे?
changes from time to time.
Okay,
Since the availability is very minimal right now, the prices are very high.
okay.
Though we still manage to give at best price. 40,000 is the best price right now.
So you're trying to say that in Bangalore, you're the one who's giving at the super
Yes,
मतलब
of course.
affordable price.
Yes, and not only the price, the product. The product is nowhere available right now because
जी.
there's so many things.
जी.
But we still manage to give. We have the entire stock of all variants of consoles.
Okay.
We not only sell consoles, we also give them buyback guarantee.
Buyback guarantee.
Yeah,
Can you
buyback guarantee.
उसके बारे में कुछ बता सकते
In
हैं?
case in future, if they want to, for the example, if they buy a PS3, want to upgrade to a PS4,
जी.
we still take it back for the 70% of the price what they paid us.
So basically 70% buyback offer है आपके
We
पास.
take it back for 70%.
अगर वो किसी और के पास मतलब if they have bought it from
They can
somewhere
sell
else.
at a different price, but it won't be 70%. But whatever they buy from us, we take it back for 70%.
Okay, आपका प्रोडक्ट अगर आपसे लिए हैं तो 70%
70%
है.
exchange.
अगर वो किसी और से लेकर के आपके पास एक्सचेंज
We
करने
give
आ रहे
them
हैं
the
तो
good price, whatever the market price available at that time. we give them if the console is in good condition. We give
फॉर
them.
एग्जाम्पल मैं आपके पास कहीं और से लेके आ रही हूँ,
हाँ.
बट आई मीन इन एक्सचेंज आई एम बाइंग समथिंग एल्स फ्रॉम यू, इवन देन यू वांट टेक
Yes, yes,
70%?
No, we can't take that. Whatever you buy from me, we'll give you 70%.
Okay.
That is fixed price. In case you buy somewhere else, you want to exchange it with us, we'd still do that. Not only exchange, if you want to sell it for cash, we still take it.
Okay. Great.
And not
Instant
only
cash
that,
भी दे देते हैं
instant cash for the whatever product that you sell.
Okay.
And on top of that, we also exchange PS4 games, PS5 games.
आप. Okay.
If you
So
have
what are the ranges? Can you थोड़ा
this,
pricing
the
बता सकते हैं?
PS4 games, basic game starts from 500 rupees.
Okay, 500 rupees.
It goes
alright.
up till 4,000 rupees. 5,000.
Okay.
Depends on the game
It all
what you
depends,
buy.
yeah.
But even if you have any game with you, you can still sell it for cash.
Okay.
We take the older games for cash as well.
Okay, lovely. What about these? थोड़ा
So
Nintendo
those are retro
Nintendos
games.
के बारे में?
See, here you can see we have all the collection.
Okay.
That is for PS4 games. These are PS4 and PS5 games.
Okay.
And apart from PlayStation, we also deal in Nintendo consoles.
Nintendos के बारे में
Nintendo
थोड़ा
Switch 2
बताइए.
is the latest console available in the market right now. We give best price in the market. We have all the variants of Nintendos.
Okay.
We have
What's the most running Nintendo?
Everything.
Everything.
We have Nintendo OLED, Nintendo Lite,
सबसे ज़्यादा
Nintendo
कौन
Switch.
चलता है या जो भी
Switch
ट्रेंड में
2.
है? 2.
This is the latest.
Switch
Switch
2,
2 is
right?
the latest one right now.
Okay, तो वो आपके पास न्यू भी है.
These are all
old भी-
brand new.
Okay, पुराना भी मिल
We
जाएगा.
also have the pre-owned. If you want pre-owned, we also have Switch
उसका
2.
प्राइसिंग क्या रहेगा सर?
Switch 2 pricing, Switch 2 starts from 40,000.
You mean the old one?
The pre-owned one.
Pre-owned one.
Pre-owned
And
starts
the
from
new one?
40,000. Brand new starts from 65.
65,000. All right.
65,000. And we also have.
So उसका भी आप 6 months वारंटी देंगे?
We give warranty for this. as
And
well.
उसका 1 year warranty.
1 year for the brand.
All
new.
right. ठीक है.
We also have the MetaQuest, the VR
Okay.
VR headset that starts from 45,000.
45,000.
That goes up till 65. That for the MetaQuest 3 512 GB. And we also have the accessories.
Yeah, I want to talk to you about the accessories too. Show us a little bit,
See,
please.
we have accessories, pouches,
Okay.
attachments for the steering wheel.
जी.
We also have attachment for the PlayStation 5 Pro.
PlayStations.
This
जी.
is disc drive.
Okay.
Which
एक आध दिखा सकते हैं आप कुछ
Disc
accessories?
drive is nothing but this one, which is attached to use disc
Okay.
on a PlayStation 5 Pro. Since that comes all digital, you need an attachment to run discs on it.
Okay.
So we sell almost related everything to
So
PlayStation.
everything related to games you have it
Yeah,
all
we
in
have
all,
Nintendo
one stop for everything.
Joy-Cons, pouches,
Okay.
Nintendo games,
थोड़ा दिखाइए please.
Nintendo Switch games. We have everything.
Okay, so
available.
whatever is trending these days, everything you have.
You
it.
get
Even the
everything.
older ones, right? I
Entire
think you have the
universe.
Mario also.
The entire universe, whatever it has for the gaming, we have everything.
Game का पूरा related है आपके पास.
Everything available. पुराना आपके पास कंसोल है
जी.
तो we buy it for cash as well.
Okay.
Not only to exchange. अगर आपके पास पुराना भी है तो ला को आप सेल कर सकती हैं. You get immediate cash for that.
Okay, instant cash मिल जाता है.
CD भी बेच सकती हैं आप, PS4 भी बेच सकती हैं, 3 भी बेच सकती हैं, 2 भी बेच सकती हैं.
Anything related to games आपके पास
anything
लाके
related
दिया तो
games,
आप
we'll buy it for cash.
ठीक है.
And whatever you buy from us, we'll give it for exchange as well.
जी.
Games as well as the consoles.
Right.
Games, whatever you buy from us, you can only exchange it. You don't get cash for that.
Okay.
But whatever you sell us, we give cash for that.
Okay.
And most importantly, reliability. Reliability is very important. We give you 1 year complete replacement warranty for the pre-owned products that you buy. Any issue whatsoever, we give you free service and replacement.
थोड़ा यहाँ पे भी थोड़े CDs, I don't know.
So these are vintage games like PS3
Yes.
games, which starts from 300 rupees.
Starts from 300 rupees.
Yeah, that starts
okay?
from minimum
Vintage
300
games
rupees. Goes up till 1,000 rupees. We have PS2 games. These are very
There's
rare
some
to
more
get.
discount probably. Last time से थोड़ा और discount दिए हैं आप ये vintage
It's not
games के
about
ऊपर.
discount. Getting the console itself is a miracle right now. Getting games of this much collection
Even
is
then you're giving a very competitive price is what
not
I'm
only
trying to say.
see whatever games that you buy, you can exchange it for 70%.
Okay.
So every time you buy a game for 1,000 rupees, you can sell it back for 700. So you can buy some other game for
So
that.
70% is what you're
You
saying.
get value,
That's
yeah.
amazing.
And
Nice.
that is all the time. We have Xbox 360 games, PS3. We also have PSP games,
Okay.
old PSP games.
ठीक है.
Everything available.
थोड़े नाम बताएंगे तो it'll be easier for our viewers because they're very excited to know what all you have. Like
So those who play, they are well aware of what they want.
Hmm.
So PSP games, if I tell them PSP, I don't have to mention any particular name,
जी.
but we have everything. PSP, then Xbox 360 game. We also have PS2 games,
Okay.
PS3 games, the PS4 games, PS5,
Right.
Nintendo games, Nintendo
Okay.
cartridges.
What is
vintage
the
games.
most running game at the moment?
It's
I want
not-
to know the name. मतलब I want
That's
the viewers
I'm
to
playing right now. That is Resident Evil Requiem on PS5. This is the trending game right now, which is released recently.
know. अच्छा.
Resident Evil Requiem. Likewise, there are plenty of games.
Okay, multiple games. I mean, I see
multiple.
the entire place is filled of all kinds of, games itself. मतलब अगर आपको A to Z कोई भी related games के related कुछ भी चाहिए तो आप लोग डेफिनेटली रे गेम्स कासल आकर के चेक कर सकते हैं. कंपेटिटिव प्राइसिंग है, रिलायबल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं एंड दे गिव यू वारंटी ऑल्सो. सो जस्ट कम. उन्होंने जैसे एक्सप्लेन किया आप उस हिसाब से लीजिएगा. अगर आप कहीं और से लेकर के आके दे रहे हैं तो यू विल गेट द मार्केट प्राइस. And if you're buying it from them and exchanging it again, you get 70% buyback offer as well. Anything else that you want to add?
तो हमें हर तरह का गेमिंग कंसोल बेचती हैं.
जी.
PS2, PS3, PS4, PS4 Pro, PS5, PS5 Slim, Fat, PS5 Pro.
सब कुछ है आपके पास all in all.
Nintendo Switch भी मिलता,
जी.
Steam Deck मिलता, हर तरह का गेमिंग कंसोल, हैंडहेल्ड कंसोल मिलता, स्टीयरिंग व्हील मिलता आपको, स्टीयरिंग व्हील कॉकपिट मिलता, हर तरह का कंसोल रिलेटेड टू गेमिंग, एनीथिंग इन द यूनिवर्स यू गेट इट.
श्योर.
आपको कहाँ पर भी नहीं मिला तो भी यहाँ आ जाओ.
तो आप बेसिकली ये बोल रहे हैं कि बैंगलोर में आपका जो प्राइसिंग है कहीं और बिल्कुल नहीं मिलता.
प्राइसिंग प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं मिलता.
ओके. प्रोडक्ट तो मिल ही नहीं रहा. PS5 इवन आई
जो बोलती होते तुम
जी
कहाँ से भी होंगे, कौन सा भी प्रोडक्ट होंगे मिलता.
ओके ग्रेट. Alright guys, so if you are a game lover, you know what place you need to come. It's Ray Games Castle located in Jayanagar 4th block, or you can visit their Brookfield location as well as Commercial Street, right?
Street.
The brand new place opened is Commercial Street, Ray Games Castle. Description box में मैं आपको Google Maps link दे दूंगी, तो आप just click कीजिए. You can just come see, आप देख करके you can actually verify it and then buy it. Otherwise you don't need to. एक बार आकर के check कीजिए. I'm sure you'll find everything A to Z related to games here. Alright, thank you so much sir. It was really nice talking to you. आपका मोबाइल नंबर जो भी हमारे व्यूअर्स को अगर आप
शेयर कर सकते हैं. My number is 9740944443.
Okay.
So all branches have the same number.
Sure.
You can contact me any day, anytime. We are open all days.
Alright.
There's no holiday.
Alright, great. Amazing. That's really nice. Alright, so guys, I've given you a screen पे भी आपको मोबाइल नंबर मिल जाएगा. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है या कुछ ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी भी करवा देते हैं आप
We deliver all over Bangalore. Not only Bangalore, everywhere.
Everywhere, all over India as well,
Yes, all
right?
over India.
Alright, great. So guys, I've given you enough information.
You can also visit our website.
Okay. Share your website.
Raygames.co.
Raygames.co.
.co. Yeah.
All right. They can also order through that website.
Yes, they can order through the website.
All right. So guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go follow me now at Afreen Fatima Official. I'm sure game lovers जितना भी प्यार आप लोगों ने पिछले वाले वीडियो में दिखाया था रे गेम्स कासल पे, सेम वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग मोर. एंड आप लोग आकर के फुटफॉल कीजिए, विजिट कीजिए यहाँ पे. देव गॉट समथिंग रियली अमेजिंग. मतलब अच्छा स्टॉक और उभर के आया हुआ है. तो जस्ट कम, let me know in the comment section if you like this video, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes to come.